Alright, super quick video to show where I'm at with the file info dialog. So here I am in my game screenshots directory. I've got a couple of locked files here. So I'll click on this file and I'll say file info or COMMODORE+I. We'll call this up. Now we have this info utility which we can move around, window shade if we want. And so it's got the name of the file in here. The lock box is checked. So I can click on lock and the file is now unlocked. Or I can click on lock again. Now the file is locked. So I'll click on, say, this file here. And you can see that the info dialog is still there, but it has changed which file is in focus. So as I cursor up through these files, now it's showing me captured. Cursor down, now it's showing me hat trick. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'm going to cursor over here, and I'm going to, now as soon as I tried to change the name, the copy and rename buttons activated. I can hit Control Z to undo the edit that I'd done, and these buttons get grayed out again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this, say, Apple trick. And I'm going to hit return to trigger the active button, and watch this. Boom. Not only did the file rename, but the directory resorted in the background in real time. Isn't that great? So now I'll rename it to hat trick. So boom, there it went back. Now the next thing I wanted to show is let's say I'll click on this file, hostages, and now I'm going to delete that name, and I'm going to try to call it portal. So when I click return now, the border blinks. That's a standard system alert, and the status bar has said 63 file exists, and the file name is left as I had it, so portal. The buttons are still active, so if I try and rename again, I just get the alert again. But that allows me to say add in a 2, and I can do that. And now the buttons gray out because that is now the name that the file is. So I'll rename that back to hostages. Now the other kind of cool thing here is I'll say put in a 2, but this time I'll hit copy. Okay, and so now we're getting a copy of the file, and there's our copy, which we can click on, and maybe we can lock it as well. All right, isn't that great? Thanks for watching.